How to retrieve the most recent payment made by a certain client. In this worksheet, we have column A with list of client and column B, pay dates of the various clients. We want to retrieve the date of the most recent payment made by each of the clients listed in column D. To do this, we will use the max and if functions together. So we will use the array formula. To apply the array formula, we'll press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter simultaneously. First, let's enter the formula in cell E2. In cell E2, we'll enter the formula, and then we'll apply the array is equal to max. Select the max, and if select the if, and we'll select cell A2 to A11, and is equal to select D2, comma, and we'll select the array from B2 to B11, close brace, and again. So we enter the formula and select the formula. Now Control plus Shift plus Enter simultaneously. We enter the array. Here the array function, the if function returns an array containing the p dates, then column B corresponding to all the values in column A that match the client ID in cell D2, and the max functions returns the maximum date within that array. So in this column we have the latest payments made by the clients